Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2020 Infiniti Q60 all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This is a 3.0 LUXE model. We recently retired this out of our service loaner fleet. The way that works is we'll pluck a new Infiniti out of our inventory and we'll put it in loaner car service for a year. One of the benefits of being a new Infiniti customer or a certified pre-owned Infiniti customer is you get complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles for extended service days or repairs. So that's pretty much what this one did its whole life. And now with only 7,287 miles, it's been retired and it's available for sale as a pre-owned vehicle. And it's been in our care since we've had it, brand new. And obviously with only 7,000 miles, it's still in pretty close to new condition. 2020 is a great year for the Q60 because it got a major upgrade to the infotainment system. You have a higher resolution display on both the screens, a little bit different styling on the display too, a little bit different text shapes and colors. It's a higher resolution, and more importantly, you now have the addition of Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto. A lot of people were clamoring for Infiniti to offer that in their products, and finally in 2020 they offered it in the Q60, Q50, and the QX50 to name a few. So that's exciting news about that. We also have the original build sheet. This was $54,725 when it was brand new. Lots of nice equipment on it. We have the Essential package. The Essential package was $3,200. Giving you lots of nice equipment like a navigation system with voice recognition, automatic collision notification, emergency call. You have a Wi-Fi hotspot that does require a subscription. Sirius XM traffic and TravelLink, that's also a subscription-based service, but usually they'll give you like a trial. Power tilt telescoping steering wheel, driver's seat lumbar, and side bolsters. Dual occupant memory for the driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors. Heated front seats and steering wheel, remote engine start, and auto dimming outside mirrors with reversed tilt down function. Then we have the ProAssist package at $1,650, giving you blind spot warning, backup collision prevention, a round view monitor with moving object detection, front and rear sonar system, and rain sensing wipers. And then lastly, we have the leather seating package, which was $1,350. Leather is standard. Leather is optional, and the leather is a nice upgrade. It's perforated. It looks a lot nicer, a little bit more premium look versus the leatherette, which still isn't horrible, but if you get a luxury car, why not get leather, right? We have a drive mode selector that will make changes to steering, transmission shift points, how high the engine revs, traction stability control settings, snow, eco, standard, sport, and personal. You have a 7-speed automatic transmission. We have adaptive shift control. Adaptive shift control will momentarily hold the current gear for better acceleration at a turn corner or when accelerating up a hill. There's a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back, you put it to the left, you push up to upshift, back to downshift. It will give you rev match downshift for a sportier sound and feel. You can also access the drive mode selector here. And you can fine-tune it here as well, not just here. We have active trace control. What that will do, that will brake individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. And of course, we have a 360-degree round view monitor, great for low-speed maneuvering. You can change the views around a little bit too. Automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, moonroof, power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. Bose Performance Series audio system. Really a beautiful color combination. The Q60 is an absolutely beautifully designed automobile, one of the best looking cars on the road. If you do value a vehicle that's very stylish and good looking, something that will get you lots of compliments, certainly will happen with the Q60. It's a luxury car, it's a performance car built on a advanced front midship platform, also shared with a 370Z. You have great weight distribution. So it's a rear-wheel drive based platform, but intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. The reason why they have intelligent all-wheel drive is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will keep it 100% rear-wheel drive, and it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels as needed. It's a trick all-wheel drive system called a TASA. It stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All Terrain. It uses a cool electromagnetic differential to activate the all-wheel drive. That's how it can activate the all-wheel drive so quickly. Using that electromagnetic differential, it activates pretty much as quickly as electricity travels in a matter of milliseconds. It's racing inspired, originally used in an early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. It won't just improve your wet weather traction, but the all-wheel drive system will improve your performance. For instance, you can get in the power a little bit earlier in the corners. Really is an amazing system, and definitely will put that 300 horsepower to the ground in a very, very efficient manner. Of course, the heart of the Q60 is a VR30 twin-turbo V6. You have two small turbos versus one big one. The two smaller turbos, you have one for each bank of the cylinder. React a little bit quicker to throttle inputs, improving the engine's responsiveness. There's almost no turbo lag. The turbos are very quiet. You really can't hear them. So it really has lots of low-end grunt. This car just takes off. Very fun to drive. And if you do value your Japanese vehicles to actually be built in Japan, the Q60 is one of the few Japanese vehicles these days that's still built and assembled in Japan. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.